Hello. I am a blood donation robot built by the Birch Meadow Care Home in Sweden. The process will begin shortly, but in this time you can request drinks, television, or other necessities, if needed. While we wait, I will explain a few details to ease your thoughts. Each unit of blood you receive has been carefully tested for safety screened for over 10 infectious agents, including HIV, hepatitis B and C, and syphilis. Every donation is stored at a controlled temperature of 4 degrees Celsius, until it is matched to a compatible recipient. Your blood type was verified earlier, and the transfusion bag before you has been cross-matched to ensure no immune conflict. The red cells inside will help carry oxygen through your body, restoring energy levels and stabilizing organ function. During the procedure, I will monitor your pulse, temperature, and blood pressure every 15 minutes. If you feel dizzy, cold, or notice a metallic taste, please alert me. These sensations are mild and typically fade as your body adjusts. At Birch Meadow, transfusion sessions usually last between 1 and 4 hours depending on the volume prescribed. Many patients find it calming to watch television or listen to soft music during the process. Now, please relax. I will prepare the line for insertion. Would you prefer your left or right arm for the fourth port?